Imagine having pristine, fresh-smelling carpets without the hassle of professional cleaning services. Whether you have pets, kids, or high-foot traffic, the right carpet cleaner can make all the difference in maintaining a clean and healthy home. But with so many options, which one is right for you? Today, we're breaking down the top 5 carpet cleaners of 2025, highlighting their features, performance, and who they're best suited for. Let's dive in! First on our list is the Shark CarpetXpert EX201, a machine that has set new standards in carpet cleaning. This cleaner boasts exceptional suction power, outperforming many competitors in both wet and dried-on stain removal tests. Its onboard hose system and comprehensive attachment set make it versatile for various cleaning tasks around the home. One standout feature is the Oxy Solution mixing system, which ensures optimal cleaning results by precisely mixing the cleaning solution. Additionally, the easily emptied dirt bin simplifies maintenance, making your cleaning routine more efficient. While it has a slightly smaller water tank compared to some rivals, its lightweight design and agility make it a top choice for those seeking powerful performance without the bulk. Next up is the Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Plus, specifically designed with pet owners in mind. Equipped with CleanShot technology, this machine allows you to target and pre-treat tough stains with precision. The dual-tank system keeps clean and dirty water separate, ensuring effective cleaning throughout your session. It offers multiple cleaning modes, including a deep clean mode for thorough cleaning and an express clean mode that leaves carpets dry in about 30 minutes, a real time saver for busy households. The included hose and attachments extend its functionality to upholstery and stairs, making it a versatile tool for homes with pets. Although it has a heavier build, its performance in removing pet stains and embedded dirt makes it worth considering. For those in need of a machine that can handle large areas and deep cleaning, the Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner is a formidable option. This cleaner features a large 1.75-gallon tank capacity, reducing the frequency of refills during extensive cleaning sessions. Its powerful suction and robust brush system effectively lift and remove deep-seated dirt and stains. Designed for durability, the Bissell Big Green is built to withstand heavy use, making it ideal for high-traffic areas and larger homes. While it's on the heavier side, its foldable handle aids in storage, and its performance is comparable to professional-grade cleaners. If you're looking for a carpet cleaner that combines technology with cleaning efficiency, the Tineco Carpet One Pro Smart Carpet Cleaner is worth a look. This machine is equipped with Power Dry technology, which minimizes drying time, allowing carpets to be ready for use shortly after cleaning. Its smart features include sensors that detect carpet soiling levels and adjust cleaning parameters accordingly, ensuring optimal performance. The LED display provides real-time updates on cleaning progress and maintenance alerts, making it user-friendly and efficient. Its sleek design and advanced features make it a great addition to modern households seeking convenience and effectiveness. Last but not least, the Rug Doctor Pet Portable Spot Cleaner is perfect for tackling smaller messes and spot cleaning. Despite its compact size, this cleaner packs a punch with strong suction capabilities, effectively removing stains and pet messes from carpets and upholstery. Its telescoping handle and wheels enhance portability, allowing you to move it around the house with ease. The specialized pet tool is designed to tackle pet hair and stains efficiently, making it a handy tool for pet owners dealing with frequent small messes. While it's not intended for large area cleaning, its performance in spot treatments is impressive. And that wraps up our list of the best carpet cleaners of 2025. If you're seeking overall top performance, the Shark CarpetXpert EX201 stands out with its powerful suction and versatility. For pet owners, the Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Plus offers specialized features to tackle pet-related messes. Need a machine for heavy-duty cleaning? The Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner is built for intensive use. If you appreciate smart features and quick drying times, the Tineco Carpet One Pro Smart Carpet Cleaner is a modern solution. For portable spot cleaning, the Rug Doctor Pet Portable Spot Cleaner is a convenient and effective choice. Which one suits your needs best? Drop a comment below and let us know. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert home appliance reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.